My name is Mark Robertscott. I'm globally responsible for customer learning solutions. We are a globally operating company, and training and supporting our customers in the field comes with great responsibility, but it can also come with a set of business challenges. So if clients are employing new employees, we need to make sure that at all times they have the right skill sets in compliance to operate our equipment. If something unexpected happens, we need to make sure that there is a method to solve that problem quickly and efficiently. So we as Sealed Air wanted to reimagine the way our valued customers interact with our systems and solutions in the marketplace. We were then really able to develop a turnkey customer support solution, which had elements of training, troubleshooting and maintenance, as well as remote support elements in there, using augmented reality in a very innovative way.
The Sealed Air project was a real challenge for us because we had to identify this product, but it came in several configurations, so you could have 1, 2 or 3 bottles. And also over time they changed things like branding and some of the elements within the product. So we had to be very careful about how we were going to identify. We needed it to be accurate, but we also had to have the flexibility so that it was easy for the user and everything was understood.
Initially we had quite a few reservations because not only was this the very first smart app that we were developing, but it was far beyond anything that existed in our industry in the marketplace. So we solved a lot of the development problems by linking various stakeholder groups together in the business, from R&D, marketing to customer support teams, and that allowed us really to build a very customer-centric solution.
So this is our test rig. We were able to reconfigure this as much as we wanted to, but we also needed to create the flexibility, which is why we used a 3D print. And we do something called rough marking, which is to represent what's on the actual product, but not in too much detail. So it's supposed to be quite kind of flexible and rough and ready. This way we could reconfigure things on our desktops, make sure it still worked, but we knew then that it would accurately represent the real environment where people were using this, which in this particular case was things like commercial kitchens, in hotels, hospitals, that type of thing.
The end result of the RebelFlow app has been that we built an entire framework to build the next generation of customer support solutions that are fast, that are efficient, that are very, very powerful. Because we can monitor where the training occurs, we can see what troubleshooting elements have worked for the customer, and we also know where we need to deploy our technical staff to make sure that we can support our customers as quickly as possible.
Ultimately, we were able to devise a really good plan on how we were going to allow the user to diagnose problems, train and troubleshoot in situ as quickly as possible, so that they could resolve as much of the issues they might come up against without any fuss or hassle or having to contact third parties. Ultimately, the app also included the ability to report a problem by sending photos and in later versions video, and that went immediately onto a support system. Thereby the client could decide what was the best form of action, whether to call a technician out or to allow the user to deal with it themselves.
So enabling our customers to increase their own skill level at work, increasing the safety at work by reducing the human error, and the combination with supporting our customers remotely in real time is a very powerful value proposition.